Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to create a poll or vote by using Telegram app. Suppose I have taken my lecture and I would like the feedback from students. So for this purpose I can use this Telegram option vote or poll. So let's start with how to create Telegram vote or Telegram poll. For this purpose, open your Telegram app and on top side in the search window just type vote bot VOTEBOT. You can see here third option is there, vote bot. Just click on that option. Now it is asking what can this bot do. This bot will help you create polls and share them with friends. Create your polls here, then share them using inline mode. And at bottom there is option to create our poll. So I will click on start. Now the fantastic and wonderful future is we can create poll by these two ways, whether anonymous or public. If I created anonymous poll, then I won't be able to see the names of people who have given their poll. Suppose 10 students have given poll, and if it is anonymous poll, then I won't be able to see students' name. I will just get answers. And if it is public, then I can see student 1, student 2, student 3 and what they have poll or vote. So this is interesting feature in this poll. So if we are creating it for students, we can go with anonymous option. So it's asking, let's create a new poll. First select the type of poll. So I will go with anonymous. Now it is saying good. Now send me the question. Suppose I have completed my lecture and I just want a feedback. So I will now type a question. How much will you rate for my today's lecture? I will just click on this right side blue arrow to post on Telegram. Now it is asking, please send me the first answer option. Now I will give answer. My question is, how much will you rate for my today's lecture? So I am giving 10. Good. Now send me another option. 5. And now I will give one more answer, 0. Now if I have done with my answers, then I can type /done to create my poll. Now you can see my poll has been created, and I can now publish this poll by sending or sharing with my students. Here you can see question, how much will you rate for my today's lecture? It is anonymous poll. So students can respond, but I can't see the names of students. So 10, 5 and 0, these are the options, and here is option of publish poll. So I will click on publish poll and I will send it or forward it to my students. So this is how you can use vote poll option from Telegram to know feedback from your students or from the stakeholders. Now I will show you the details how to get report of this poll. So for this purpose we will again go to vote bot. Here you can see update results option is there. You just need to click on update results option. Then if anybody has given vote, then these figures are there 10, 0, 5 and 0, and here it is saying that nobody voted so far. So if you click on update results and if any student has given their vote, then it will appear 1 student has voted, 10 student has voted, and the results will appear how many votes for 10%, how many votes for 5%, or how many students have given you 10 rating, 5 rating and 0 rating. So this is how you can click on update results to see the voting or polling given by your students. So this is very much interesting feature of Telegram, vote bot or poll. We can use this to make our teaching learning experience proper and interesting. Thank you very much.